Welcome! Let's set up your Wonderfitter for an immersive mobile training experience. First, attach the rail to your Wonderfitter. Then, take the included hex key and screw to secure the rail. Next, fasten the phone mount to the rail. Place your mobile horizontally into the mount. Now for the software. Download and open the Shooting Lab mobile app from the Google Play or App Store. When first launching, please allow the necessary network and Bluetooth permissions when prompted. Then, tap Connect inside the app. On your Wonderfitter, pull out the magazine, then press and hold the button on it until the green light starts blinking. The pairing happens automatically. Once connected, the light will stay on and your app screen will confirm. With setup complete, explore the diverse training modules. Select a drill that matches your goal, from precision shooting to rapid reaction scenarios. Aim, fire, and track your performance in real time. Every session is tailored to help you progress. Explore more training tips and full product details on our official website. Follow us to join the community and stay updated. Now, immerse yourself and experience precision training.